it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and I'm here to show you the April quilt. It is our stained glass quilt, and I'm getting ready to trim it so that I can load it on the long arm. So I've taken my ruler, and I'm going to look to where my sashing meets that inside point. And I'm going to lay my ruler down along those points, lining it up as best as I can. And then I'm just going to trim off my excess. And I'll work my way down my quilt. Once I have my quilt all trimmed, and I'll come around this corner and do this corner too, I'm going to actually stay stitch. So I'm going to, because this will be a bias edge and I don't want to pull so that I don't have any ripples when I go to load it up on the long arm, I'm going to stay stitch just 1/8 of an inch all the way around my quilt, and that'll stop that ripple effect, and it will help it with the bias edge. So then I'm going to come around and I'm going to trim this corner. Again, I'm going to line up my points. I'm going to put my ruler right on the edge of where those points meet, the two sashing rows. I'm going to make sure that it's straight along my bottom here. And it looks good. So now I'm going to trim this edge. And now we have a perfectly trimmed edge, and we're ready to go stay stitch once I finish trimming the rest of the quilt up. I hope you'll join us in making our April quilt. This is the Robert Kaufman 2022 Calendar Quilts, and this is April's stained glass. Thanks for joining us.